Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a short and simple and beautiful intro using Filmora 10. So you know that Filmora 10 is a great software for beginner. It comes with a lot of templates and presets and stuff like that. And one of my favorite way to create intro is to use the openers and title right inside Filmora 10. So this tutorial will show you exactly how I do and how I create my intro for different purposes, weddings and vlog and travel videos, stuff like that. Okay, and it is very easy, just a fast tutorial. Let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so here I am inside Filmora 10. So before creating a project, you need to select an aspect ratio for your project. For YouTube, let's select 16:9, and if you are going to upload to Instagram or stuff like that, you can select different aspect ratio here. I'm now going to select 16:9, and the next thing I want to do to create a new project, just click this button. Very simple, right? In order to create an intro inside Filmora 10, all you need to do is to go to here at the title tab. So we are going to title here, and let's go to the opener. So in Filmora 10, there's two opener folder. The first one here, we have 25 different templates. By the way, I think they are a little bit too old. So we are going to use the new concept. Click on the new concept here. So we have 40 different opener here. Nice, right? And now for example, if I want to create an intro for a wedding, I'm going to find the opener here, this one, the new opener 30, and just simply drag and drop it onto the timeline like this. Now we have a 5-second new opener 30. Let's play it. It looks very nice, right? And you can click this button to see everything on the timeline. And for example, if you just want to create a 5-second opener, then you don't need to trim out or shorten or extend the duration of it here on the timeline. Just keep it at 5 seconds. By the way, if you want to extend it to 8 seconds or 10 seconds or stuff like that, you can just click here and extend it to 10 seconds. It is very easy. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's explain a little bit about this opener. So this opener, we have two parts. The first one is the preset, which is a video right inside this one, this box, and the other part is the text. The text meaning the titles inside the templates. So you have here, for example, this is a wedding, it is a text, and this is John and Mary's, the names, also text, and here is a text also. And we can customize all the text here, such as the fonts, the size, and the animation. But the video inside, it is a preset video, so you cannot change it. Okay. And now to customize this opener to make it more interesting and beautiful, we can go to the advanced edit in Filmora 10. Okay, so to do that, we need to right click at the title box on the timeline and select advanced edit. Just click on it, and it will open a new window for you to customize everything. Okay. Alright, so here we have the advanced text editor window. Okay, so let's click this button to enlarge it to full screen. And you can see here we have a preview window here, and we have a timeline here. So this timeline is exactly the same with the timeline in your project. So this is 5 seconds, and we can play it here. And you can see some track here. We call this is a video track, and this is a text track and text track, and so in order to modify all the text here, all we need to do is to select the text right on the timeline, and we can also move around the text on the timeline to adjust the position or when it appears on your timeline. Okay, and this is the preset, we mean the video, and it is a video. So we need to control all this stuff to customize this text and this one. For example, this is a wedding, we can keep this one, so we keep the text wedding. And for this one, we want to change the date and time. Okay, so we're going to select here and change it, November 10, 2021. something like that. And you can also change the fonts and size and stuff here. Also you can click here to bold and also adjust the character stuff like that here. And there's some option down here such as the text border and shadow and text fill, and to change the text color also. But if you want to learn how to adjust or to modify all these text, you can refer to my tutorial on how to add text to your video using Filmora 10. I will put it here. Okay, so for example, and this one, another John and Mary, I'm going to change this one to maybe Annie and Tim. I'll stop like that, and now we can play the video. So technically it is finished for our intro, for our wedding intro. And if you want to change the animation, for example, here we have the animation. You can go here to the animation part and then select different animation for your text. By the way, I'm going to click OK. So we finished with the first one, right? That's easy, right? And we can click OK. So this is the first intro that we create in Filmora 10. Nice. And now what if you want to add a background music to this part? It is also very easy. Go back to your media, and now you need to import your music file to this media and then drag and drop it here. By the way, I have already import some music in this audio, and go to my music, and we are going to use this one, adventure theme. So I'm going to put it down here to use it as an example. Okay, now we have this one. Interesting, right? And we need to shorten the music also. We can still put the playhead at this position and split the background music, and then delete this part. And we can also create a fade out effect for our music with this little dot here. Okay, so this is a simple way and very basic way you can create an intro in Filmora 10. By the way, if you want to create something more beautiful or with more effect or stuff like that, we can just do some trick here. For example, in this opener, I'm going to delete the video preset inside it, so we replace with another one. Okay, so just right click and go to advanced edit again, and now we will only keep the text, and we are going to delete this one, and we have the text here, right? And then click OK to go back to the timeline. Now we need some overlays overlay to use here. Okay, to find the overlay, it is very easy. Go to here, the video effect, the effect tab on top left of the windows, and you can see here at the included folder. Here at the included folder, you have some overlay. So there are many overlay here. For example, you have frame, bokeh blurs, and all film, lens flare, and damage film, and stuff like that. We're going to select frame. So we have 26 different frame you can add to your video. For example, this is a wedding, so I'm going to add this frame. Just drag and drop this frame on the top track here. And now we have just changed our intro to this one. Let's play it. Very interesting, right? And if you want to maybe overlay some more elements here, you can go here at the elements folder. Go to the element, and now you have many elements here. For example, I can put some heart here, or line heart, or stuff like that. Let's say I want to put this heart. Let's drag and drop it here on the timeline, and it's too big. We can resize it, smaller. Okay, so we can put it on this side, and maybe we need one more heart. Okay, so press Ctrl C to copy it, and then we can lock this track and lock this track and lock this one, lock all the track on the timeline, and then press Ctrl V, so it will be here. So we can select this heart and move it to this area, and let's see it here. Move our timeline, play head to this on the timeline, and then adjust the heart. Okay, I think it's fine. It is here, is fine. And the last thing we want to shorten this one. So to select all of them, just highlight all of them and shorten it, and it's done. So I've just created a very beautiful intro for your wedding in Filmora 10 in just a minute, right? And the final thing you need to do is to export the video. And of course, when you export the video in free version, you will have a big watermark. If you want to purchase a license to remove that watermark, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code I put in the description. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.